Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Scorpios, we are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards. We have clouds, ship, and mountain. So, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have a lot of doubts, confusions, you don't know what will be the right thing for you. So, certain things are not going as you had expected. So, things are happening something beyond your expectation, and you may be facing a lot of challenging circumstances today, guys. Maybe in your work or in your relationship, there are a lot of obstacles you need to face today. So, things are going in a way quite difficult for you to manage or understand. And maybe you have your own way of doing things. You go by certain rules or certain laws you follow for yourself, ideals or beliefs you may have in doing something, maybe in your work. But today the situation is challenging you to think and act differently. Maybe you cannot handle the situation like you did before. So some changes needs to be done and you must think out of the box. Give up your preconceived notions or ideas if you want to handle these circumstances effectively, guys. So the obstacles or whatever challenges you see in your circumstances may be formidable, but you have the skills and talents to handle these circumstances, guys, and you must think and act differently if you want to handle yourself efficiently today, Scorpios. So for your relationship, guys, we have bouquet. So with this card, in this connection with this person you love, you are having a beautiful understanding. Things are going in a positive way, and maybe whatever difficulties it would have been in this relationship, maybe you are seeing. For some of you, you may not have any difficulties. You may have a good understanding with this person, mutual love, respect, and caring. But for few of you, if you have any problems, any challenges you need to face in this relationship, all those are going to resolve, guys, and you are going to be extremely happy by the way things are going with this person you love. So you may have clarity, and for some of you, they are also coming with gifts, guys. Maybe they want to say sorry for whatever they did, maybe some misunderstanding or some troubles, whatever it was, and they want to reconcile with you. So Scorpios, maybe even if you are seeing some difficulties, all that is going to resolve today, guys. So you need not worry. You will have a beautiful understanding with this person, or you will get to that understanding with this person you love. So for your career situation, guys, it is birds. So You are making some important choices for yourself in your work situation. You are talking about that, maybe discussing about what needs to be done, maybe what decision to make with your friends or family. So you are asking their suggestions or guidance today, guys, Scorpios. So some offers have reached you today, guys, Scorpios. That may be the reason for this card, and you are thinking and finding out what will work well for you, what choice to take up in your career situation. Uh, you are asking your mentor or seniors who will have a better experience. So you are asking their guidance and ideas today, guys, Scorpio. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship. And patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.